Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my second HelloFresh box with $20. Let's see what do we have in new package. This time I ordered 3 meals instead of 5 meals for 2 people, for my partner and I. Always they put some advertisements for other companies in the HelloFresh box, and this is the letter for the HelloFresh advertisement. Let's see what do we have in the packages. I really like the ingredients and recipes, especially tomato, which is expensive nowadays. Delivery was really on time. They put 2 ice packs specifically for meat boxes and packages. I ordered chicken instead of red meat. It took 45 to 60 minutes for me to cook for each meal. You can use the promotion codes and free boxes that I put at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe to support our channel. Thank you very much.